In this video from DelftStack, I will show you how to fix the split keyboard on your Android phone in a simple way. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on System or Additional Settings. The name may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. Next, tap on Languages and Input or Keyboard Settings. Now select Manage Keyboards. Here you will see the keyboard app you are currently using. Tap on your active keyboard app. If you have multiple keyboard apps installed, you can repeat the same steps for each one. Once you are inside the keyboard settings, look for an option called Split Keyboard or One-Handed Mode. This is usually found under Layout or Preferences. When you find it, simply turn the toggle off. Now go back and open any app to test your keyboard. It should return to the normal full layout, making typing easier and more comfortable. Thanks for watching.